Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this chota bhim cartoon face. This is a Indian cartoon. The name of the cartoon is Chota Bhim. I am going to model this face of this Chota Bhim character. So this is very easy face to model. So let's start. So that's it, friend. This for the reference, and this is our model. This is the Chota Bhim cartoon character face. This is the Indian cartoon Chota Bhim. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.